That's right. He's snoring. You can hear it from the other room. Edgar. Edgar. Hey. You were snoring, old man. Yeah, you were. There you go. You okay? Yeah, sure you are.